Hi everyone, so this is just a quick video going through the method for the validation practical on osmosis of potato cubes that we completed at Martin today. So the first step in the method was to peel the potatoes. So you can see one of the students from today is peeling her potato with a potato peeler before she starts cutting it up into cubes just to make the process a bit easier. So here we've got 3 potato cubes that have been cut out into 2.5 centimeter cubes, and we've got the excess potato. The student used a ruler to make sure that they accurately measured the cubes. So the student then had to weigh the potato cube before submerging it in any liquid in a weighing boat on a pair of digital scales. So once the student has uh, cut out their potato cube and weighed it, they can then submerge it in a beaker of tap water and can then start the timer to time the 20-minute process of submersion in distilled water. So this group decided to have all 3 trials going at the same time. So they timed it so that all 3 cubes would go in and then they would start the timer. This made the process a lot quicker, which you could definitely do in week 4 to make sure that you have lots of time to do the trials. So this student has now set up a stopwatch with their cube in the beaker, waiting for that 20-minute period to finish before they take it out and weigh it. So before weighing the cube, the student needs to make sure that they pat the potato cube dry to remove any excess liquid before putting it on the scales. So it's important that you make sure that you dry the cube properly, and then you just place it on the scales in the weighing boat and record the weight in the appropriate table in the handout attached. Once they were able to do that, they could then take the cube out and place it in the saturated salt solution to see if there was any difference. So the student has taken it out and they're about to pour the saturated salt solution into the cube with the potato cube, and that will again be submerged for 20 minutes to see if there is any change in weight of the potato cube. So this is the final step. So the potato cube has been submerged for 20 minutes in the saturated salt solution. The student has taken out and dried it to remove excess water and has then put it back on the scales to weigh it again. They noticed that there was only a 0.2 gram difference in the before and after weight of the cube before it was put into the saline solution and after it was put into the saline solution. So thinking about the observed results here, we will talk about this in class tomorrow. So it's important that you understand or think about what's going on and maybe having a look at some of the questions for part A in the handout.